Hi, I'm Dr. Shweta Vazir. Today, I'll guide you through the topic winters and hormonal imbalance in women. Now, many women notice changes in their periods during winter. Either the cycles get delayed, they become irregular, or they become more painful. Now, these changes can be worrying, but in most cases, they are linked to seasonal effects on hormones. Let's understand why this happens and when you should seek a medical advice. Menstrual cycle is controlled by a delicate hormonal system involving the brain and the ovaries. So even small changes in the balance can affect ovulation and your period timings. Winters can influence this system in very subtle but important ways. During winters, reduced sunlight increases melatonin, the sleep hormone. Higher melatonin levels can interfere with estrogen and progesterone, leading to delayed ovulation and late periods. At the same time, your vitamin D levels drop, which can also affect the menstrual regularity. Winter often changes our routine. Lesser physical activity, irregular sleep, higher stress levels all increase cortisol, the stress hormone. Now, this can disturb our hormonal imbalance and again affect our menstrual cycles. Many women experience slightly delayed or irregular periods during winters. Some notice increased cramps or heavier flow. Even premenstrual symptoms like mood swings, fatigue, bloating, they all may feel more intense during winters. Cold temperatures can cause your blood vessels to constrict, increase the uterine cramps and the discomfort. Reduced movement and muscle stiffness during winters can further intensify your period pain. Vitamin D plays a very important role in ovarian function and hormone regulation. Low levels of vitamin D, which is very common in winter, they have been associated with irregular cycles and ovulatory disturbances. Stress raises cortisol levels, which can block the normal release of reproductive hormones. Winter stress combined with all these lifestyle changes can make your menstrual irregularities even more noticeable. While mild seasonal changes are common, please consult your gynecologist if your periods stop for more than 2 cycles, bleeding is excessive, pain interferes with your daily life, or your cycles remain irregular beyond the winters. All these symptoms may indicate conditions such as thyroid disorders, polycystic ovarian syndrome, or hormonal imbalance, which would need a proper evaluation and treatment. Very simple habits can support hormonal health in winter. Get morning sunlight, stay physically active, eat a balanced diet rich in nutrients, maintain a regular sleep pattern, and please practice stress management. Tracking your menstrual cycle helps you recognize the changes early and discuss them accurately with your gynecologist. Most winter-related menstrual changes are mild and temporary. Understanding your body helps you respond calmly and seek care when needed. I'm Dr. Shweta Vazir. If you are experiencing menstrual concerns or hormonal imbalance, professional guidance can make a real difference. Please reach out for your personalized care and support.